Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I greet everyone over there. I greet everyone over there, my brother, my sisters. I greet everyone over there, big or small. I want you people to listen to this message. It's very important because I'm very angry because of what is happening in Africa. We Africa, we don't know how to respect our children. We Africa, we don't know how to respect our children. It's not fair that we don't know how to respect our children. It is very important. It is very important to respect children. It is very important to respect children. We are outside Africa. We are in outside Africa. We are in outside Africa because we see things, how these people respect their own little ones. We see things, how these people respect their whole little ones. Most particularly here in Europe. Most particularly here in Europe. Their whole leader know how to take care of their whole children. Their whole leaders know how to respect and take care of them. But we Africa leaders, we don't know how to take care of our children. We don't know how to respect them. That is this message that I'm passing to Africa people over there. For us to be practice how to make children to be the future of tomorrow. We don't know how to respect children. It is very important to respect children. Because their own leaders over here take care of their own children. But in Africa leaders, we don't know how to respect, how to take care of our children. We don't know how to respect and take care of our children. It's not fair. You can see how the leaders of Africa humiliate and humiliate our children. You can see how the children, how the African leaders humiliate our children and affliction them. They affliction them, they humiliate them because they can't speak on their self, because they can't talk on their own because they don't have power. But over here, children have power. Children have freedom. Children they can do unthinkable. They can say anything. But we Africa, you will look children. We look children common. We look children downgrade. We look children anything. It's not fair. We Africa, let us know how to take care of our children, and let us know how to treat children. We humiliate them and we affliction them also. Along the street, they are selling pure water. Along the street, the children are selling pure water and different type of things. They are selling pure water and different type of things. They are selling different type of things on the street. That is not fair. Here in Europe, you can't even see children selling anything on the street. Here in Europe, you can't even see any children selling anything on the street or hockey on the street. It can't be done. It can never be done. That is why that Europe is growing. You can't see. Here in Europe, the government will arrest that church father The government will arrest that child father because the government take care of them. The government respect them. Anyone they see okay on the street, the government will go and arrest that child father and that child mother. But in Africa, we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. That is why that Europe country is developed. That is why that the Europe countryside is developed. Because they know how to take care of the children. They develop and also manufacture things. For instance, me as a senior, for instance, as a senior, what I produce today, the junior ones will also produce more than me tomorrow. It's what I produce today. That is why that Europe they are growing. It's what I produce today. The junior one, they are also growing to produce more than me tomorrow. That is why they take care of their children because they know, they believe their children. The children can do more undateable. But we Africa, we leave our children on the streets. We leave them on the streets, selling and hockey. Selling and hockey. They can still do more than tomorrow. That is their life. That is their life. The way they live their life. Because they take care of children. They respect children. They know that the children is the leader of tomorrow. But we African leaders, we don't think about. That is why today we are in global world. That is why today we are in global world. Today we are in global world because the country is developed. Every day they are manufacturing things. Their brain is increased because of the government take care of them. How the little one in Africa, they will no food, no good environment, no good care. How that kind of children, they don't have future because they can't think very well. But here, government take care of them. That's why they think. They think about tomorrow. They think what tomorrow will be. That's why that we are in global world today. We are in global world today. They manufacture things every day. They manufacture things every day. They manufacture things every day. What the elder one could not able to do. What the elder one could not able to do, the little one do them. What the elder one could not able to do, but the little one do them today. That is why that the country is developed. The little one also manufacture things every day. They manufacture things every day. Then develop many things. They also develop many things. The children, the little ones today, they develop and they manufacture many things. You can see today. Then produce. You can see today they produce many things. You can see Samsung today. Before, in 20 years, you can't see Samsung. We see this old phone. But today, you can see Samsung. You can see iPhone. You can see BlackBerry. You can see screen touch. Before, we can't see a screen touch. Today, you see screen touch. They are manufactured things. Children are nowadays in Europe. They also have old model. They also have old model before. They have old model before. But children are nowadays in Europe, they change the pattern to a new model. You can see, brother, listen to me. I want to talk sense to African leaders. Today, the little one, they make everything to rendezvous, to change the patterns. That's why that today we have new model things today. That is why they produce. That is why they respect their whole little ones. The reason why they respect their little one is this. Because tomorrow, they know they can do anything. They know tomorrow, their little ones can help them. That's why they respect them. They take care of them. But in Africa, we don't know how to do that. It's only to steal money. We don't know how to do that. Their little ones, they are the head of tomorrow. Brother, my sister, I want to tell you these people. I want to tell you people in Africa. Let us practice and humiliate. And let us know how to grow children up. Let us practice a good practice that make Africa to be united and make Africa to go, to make Africa to start manufacture things. A country that could not know how to respect children, a country that could not know how to respect children, that country, it can't never grow. A country that don't know how to respect children, that country can never grow. Can never grow. A country that don't know how to respect children, that country can never grow. Because in Africa, there are a lot of children selling on the street, hockey, suffering. But our African leaders, they don't take a bath. They only think on their own pocket. They think about their family. But Europe, they don't think about their whole family. They think about everybody. They say we that we are still living in here. They think about us. They close say about their cities. Brother, let us be wise. Let us be wise. This message is not only is all over the world. I want you people to pass this message to African leaders. Let this message to cross all over. This is message that we're supposed to be hitty and to be given them. It's not the message that will be say a different a thing that is not rhyme in social media. Pass this message to African leaders and Africa, all over Africa, and of Africa that's still in Western world. Pass this message to them and let Africa be united. Brother, I'm here for you. I'm not here about for you people to subscribe. If you like, you can subscribe. But the way you subscribe, you can also get more information about me. And I'm not forcing you people because of, I'm doing it because of about our children over there. I'm doing it because of Africa to practice how to train children, how to practice how to take care of children. over there. Even that child is not your child, but know how to take care of that child. Know how to maintain that child. That is my message this hour. Pass this message to all over people over there. God bless Africa. May we unite. One love.